Good morning everyone. I am in 6th standard. Our project is wastewater treatment plant. River water is normally used to supply in big cities. This water is purified by the process of salinization and the filtration in wastewater treatment plant. The water supply to home is first denamed and the sea is the first denamed to the process of employed described here. Salinization and decantation is first done by removal of large particles and sand impurities. With the help of decantation, the sand particles settle down at the bottom of the water. Then our water passes to the next stage. Alum is then added in the water, separated by the passing through the loading, and now the water filtered through the passing its sand filter. Chlorine is added to kill the germs. And then the water supplied to our home is through the distribution chamber. Control room controls all the process of observation in it. Laboratory checks the purity of water, either it is drinkable or not. Thank you.